My online toolbox here. Today we are showing contractors in the construction industry, whether you're a new home builder, remodeler, residential or commercial services, you too can create your own website as well as manage your own marketing if you so desire. There are some who prefer to do it themselves. There are many others who will hire specialists to create the website. In this particular case, we are quickly highlighting someone who is doing all of the marketing themselves, and they're doing a great job. So, to use this as a reference point for those who are considering a website where they're going to create it in house themselves, you can do it. This particular site is called yourmodernhomestead.com, and the name of the company is Modern Homestead. They have a wonderful representation of the different main services between whole home remodeling, kitchens, bathrooms, home studio builds. The URL structure and the title tags are done well. We find that out by going to one of the services for kitchen remodeling, and you'll see the URL structure, the title tag, as well as all of the content here is perfectly laid out to have an optimized web page. And as we continue through their site, yes, a lot of this was organized using our marketing services to help guide them in their education as well as coordination of their SEO topics. But once they brought it all together, the site itself was created by the company, which is pretty impressive. And in addition to the website itself, one cannot forget about other topics that help support inbound activity, such as having a Facebook page with engagement. In this particular case, they just got started and already up to 60 some odd people liking them. They're actively posting. Here's one where they're posting, they're doing various different tagging, and they're doing it on a consistent basis, which is a great way to build up a following on Facebook. Same thing goes with Instagram, using another popular social environment such as Instagram, where it's picture sharing, and they now have a couple of dozen posts with more than 100 followers, which is fantastic. And then going externally to looking at how they're being indexed, here we're seeing that their service locations as well as their services themselves are being indexed well. We see that about the company as about the team and the company is indexed well. We also see positively that they have been getting reviews, and let's hope that they are responding to reviews. They have one right here that's not responded to, but all the other ones besides the most recent one is being responded to, which is also an external factor helping support the success of having this particular business ranked well, especially as a do-it-yourself website. This is my online toolbox reminding you that if you are considering to create a website yourself, there is a few things that you should do. One is just understand the basics for free or pay to learn either basic education or advanced education, or similar to this account here called Modern Homestead, they did get a marketing plan where we help them understand the topics, we help them organize them, and then after they were organized, they created a website that is a perfect representation for the future of their business from 2021 and beyond. This is my online toolbox. If you are looking to build a website on your own, you can do it. However, we do suggest you do take a strategic approach at this objective and follow a company such as Modern Homestead with the website yourmodernhomestead.com as a perfect example of how to do this yourself. Good luck, and we wish you the best with your business.